Question, what's this? Yeah, I know, potato. Make a sentence. What's this? It's a potato. It's a potato. Okay, what's this? Make a sentence. What's this? It's a cucumber. It's a cucumber. What's this? Make a sentence. What's this? Answer. It's an egg. It's an egg. Why is this an and why is this a? An egg, a cucumber. Why? Why is it an? Why is it a? What do you think? A or un? It's because egg starts with a vowel sound, e for egg. Cucumber starts with a consonant sound, a k for cucumber. So it's an egg and a cucumber. If the word starts with a vowel sound, it's an. So an egg, an egg. If the word starts with a consonant sound, like k, cucumber, then it's a cucumber. An egg, a cucumber. Okay. What about umbrella? When it rains, you put up. Umbrella. What do you think? Is it a or is it un? Umbrella. Umbrella starts with a vowel sound, a. So it's an umbrella. An umbrella. What about uniform? What do you think? Is it a or is it un? Uniform. The answer is a, because uniform starts with a consonant sound, a y sound, uniform. The word starts with the letter U, but the sound, the pronunciation is y, uniform. So it's a consonant sound, therefore uniform is a uniform, an umbrella is an umbrella. English pronunciation of articles? Easy peasy with Uncle Geoff's help. See you next time. Shall I have an egg for breakfast or shall I have a cucumber?